Winegard TV Signal Finder app. The Winegard TV Signal Finder app is used to locate either broadcast TV towers or satellite positioning at your location. Begin by opening the TV Signal Finder app. Accept the terms and conditions when prompted. If you would like to sign up for the Winegard newsletter, enter your email address, or select Skip if you would not like to sign up. For TV tower locations, proceed from this point. For satellite positioning, skip to the timecode on the screen. Tap the antenna pointer option. Accept the location permissions when prompted. You will be shown a map view with the location of the broadcast towers. If you tap on a signal icon on the screen, it will show you the channel name, frequency number, and distance. If you tap the arrow towards the bottom of the screen, it will give you a full list of channels in the area. The channel list shows the channel name, frequency type, frequency number, distance, and direction. Using the information in the antenna pointer will help you aim the antenna to receive the desired channels. Tap the satellite pointer option. Accept the location permissions when prompted. Select your satellite provider from the list. If using a manually aimed antenna, you will be provided aiming coordinates for the different satellites used by that chosen provider. To check your line of sight, tap the View AR button. Accept the camera permissions when prompted. The AR view uses your phone's camera to overlay the satellite positions in the sky. Using the AR view, you can determine if your line of sight is clear or not. It is best to have your phone at the approximate height of your satellite antenna to get an accurate display of potential obstructions. If there is anything in the view over the satellite in the sky, it will obstruct signal. Use the AR view to determine optimal positioning to ensure a signal lock.